This is a sewer inspection for 529 West Almora Street. I already have the camera inside the sewer, and what we can see is the city main right now, and I'll slowly pull it back, and as we see any issues I'll do a voiceover. This area of the pipe here has some cracks in it and a little bit of roots coming through. Right here you can see there's some more roots growing inside the pipe. Right here you can see the side of the clay pipe. That's because the clean out that was installed, they never compacted the soil underneath it properly. So what's happened is over time the clean out pipe with the weight of the soil has been pushed down, and now you have this lip here, and that's about a 1 inch height difference. So the pipe's going downhill and it jumps up 1 inch and then it goes downhill again. So areas like this, you can get toilet paper buildup, and it can cause what's called a soft stoppage, and normally you can just put a water hose down there and clear it really easily. But yeah, it's not optimum for the water flow.